So how do we do a problem like this? Well, how we do a problem like this is we got to multiply by the complex conjugate. Because you see, the whole point really here is we want to get I out of the denominator. And what we said with the complex conjugate is that if we multiply by the complex conjugate, it becomes real. So that'll make the denominator real. And so look at what we're going to do. We want to multiply the bottom by 3 minus 4i, but we can't just do that. If we multiply the top by 3 minus 4i as well, look at what happens. This is always one of the kind of the more beautiful things for me is we're doing a lot here. We're multiplying by 3 minus 4i over 3 minus 4i. But what is 3 minus 4i over 3 minus 4i? That's 1. So we're not actually changing what this looks like at all. But, well, no, we change what it looks like. We're not changing what it's equal to. So what this ends up being is 3 minus 4i over, we multiply that out on the bottom, we get 9. And then remember the whole thing with the complex conjugates, we have 4i times 3, 3 times negative 4i. Those cancel out. And then this becomes minus 16i squared, but I squared is negative 1. So that's plus 16. So that's 3 minus 4i over 25. And see how they want us to write it in a plus bi form? So that means we got to go 3 over 25 minus 4 over 25 I. See, I always call that hearting it. We have this part of the fraction minus that part of the fraction, and that looks like a heart. And there we go. That's our answer. That's the reciprocal. So notice the whole point of these, whenever we have a complex number on the bottom, the problem usually wants us to get the complex number out of the bottom. And that is the same as rationalizing. Like Noise Baby says, it's exactly the same as rationalizing. And it's exactly the same as rationalizing because it is rationalizing. Because this, what we have right here, is 3 plus 4 times the square root of negative 1. And just like you would do when you rationalize, you would multiply by 3 minus 4 times the square root of negative 1. It is exactly the same as rationalizing because it is rationalizing.